Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 flood stages when it comes to flooding that you may need to be concerned with if you live near a river. Maybe you live on the coast. We want to talk about these 5 categories to help you have a better understanding when flooding does occur. You know, what stage do you fall in? What can you expect when you're in this stage? So the 5 stages we want to talk about first are number 1, action, number 2, minor, number 3, moderate, number 4, major, and number 5, which is record. Generally at action stage, these are minimum flooding. These are when rivers are right at their banks or just above the banks. So you're going to see some minor flooding when it comes to wooded areas. But generally you're not going to see any structures that are impacted here or even kind of loss of life or anything like that. The next level, which is minor, this is going to be where the water is above its banks and you might have a few buildings that are impacted. The next level, which is moderate stage, is really where it becomes a serious issue. Moderate stage is usually where buildings start to become inundated with water, and you start to have some somewhat serious flooding of buildings in this level. The next level, which is major stage, this is where you could have significant loss of life, significant damage to buildings. This is referred to as catastrophic flooding. When you look at the 93 floods of the Midwest, when you look at the 2019 floods of the Midwest, these are examples of major flooding. Now the last level, which number 5 is, which is record. You know, it does not necessarily mean it has to be a major stage to also be record. Record stage should just mean that the river has never been at this high of a flood stage level or never been at this high of a water level. That doesn't necessarily mean that you have catastrophic loss of life. It just means that these water levels are setting new limits. So these are the 5 stages of flood stages when it comes to flooding. Now, as we mentioned, action, minor, moderate, major, and record. So if you've got questions about these flood stages, you know, can you get flood insurance if you're in one of these flood stages? Or is your flood insurance going to pay out if you're in any of them? Then please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, The Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background on flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.